Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 动. First, I will write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. 动. Means to move, to touch. For example, 行动. Action. We have to take action.我们必须采取行动。我们必须采取行动。我们必须采取行动。We have to take action. This is my casual handwriting on 动. 动 to move, to touch. 行动 action. We have to take action. 我们必须采取行动. Okay, please comment any sentence with character 动. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.